Hello everyone, good morning. Hi Adya, hi Abhay, hi Alina, hi Chizen, hi Daksh, hi Guni, hi Harshvardhan, Humera, Kalindi, Arna, Arnav, Abishi, Atharv, Anvesh, Kunj, Kushagra, then Nemish, Naval, Naksh, Sakshi, Sanidhya Malve, Sharnam, Srasti, Vihan Chauhan, Vihan Chandore, Vedant Solanki, Vivan Mahajan, Arav Billore, Advik Rane, Karan, Anjane, then Adhya Dhudve, Gursakhi, Bhuvi, Vedant Kothari, Naksh Pawar, Atharva Dangi, then Ashwini Mandloi, Yokshita, then Kushagra Parmar, Kushagra Jharia. Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all the nice students of class 2? We all are missing you over here in the school. But we cannot do anything else. This is the only way to learn, to do study this year. Okay, alright. So move on and we will discuss about studies. So dear students, we already started chapter number 15, season. Chapter number 15, season. Right. In the last lecture, this is the part 2. This is part 2. This is second part of the lecture. This is second part of the lecture, and the first part, in the previous part, I told you that in this lecture we are going to learn two main things. Number one, the concept of weather and season, and number two, seasons of our country, seasons of India. Okay, before starts this chapter, in the last lecture, I read this nice beautiful poem which is based on clouds only for you. But once again I will read for you. Fair and white, grey and black, the clouds arrive in a magic pack. Elephant and horses, dogs and fawns, sometimes they look like a pair of sun. In movement they go, sometimes they freeze, and for week they stay, sometimes they thunder, spreading the colors in a rainbow of wonder. Last year, in the last video, dear students, I told you about weather. In the last video, in the previous video, we discussed about the weather. Right. So, once again, I will take a small recap about the last lecture. Okay. The weather changes nearby every day. Yeah. First, I will write over here about the weather. Weather. Right. So, what is the main thing about the weather? मौसम के बारे में सबसे main thing क्या होती है? What is the main thing about the weather? The weather changes nearby every day. Every day. Weather always keeps changing, but it is not remain same. Even a day also. But when we will talk about a day, we cannot say like that the weather which had in the morning, that weather will continue or that weather will remain same the whole day. No, it's not happening like this. It is not happening like this. So what we can say about the weather? We can say about the weather that weather change nearly every day. Weather can change nearly every day. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's hot, and sometimes it's pleasant and cool also, and sometimes we can say the wind, the cold breeze, blowing, sometimes it's raining. So we can say what about the weather? The weather always change. The weather always change. Sometimes weather is hot, sometimes weather is cool, sometimes weather is very pleasant and nice, sometimes the wind, the breeze blowing are cool. Sometimes it's rainy, sometimes it's cloudy, right? So weather always keeps changing. You must have often heard your elders in your family to talk about the temperature of the day. है ना? Maximum times it is happening in our family. The elder persons of family like dadi, dadu, chachi, badi mummy, bade papa, eventually they are talking about the weather. Maximum time it is happening in our day-to-day life when the elders are sitting together and they are discussing about the temperature, about the weather. It is happening now. Okay. So, in the last lecture, I told you about the weather. So, and then I told you that we will discuss about the season in the next lecture. Right? So, the weather is the condition of air. This thing I also told you about in the last lecture, that weather is depend on condition of air. है ना? This thing I told you. Weather always depends on the condition of air. जो weather होता है, जो मौसम होता है, it's completely depends on the air only. And air is around us. Air is around us. And it may be changed during daytime, during noon time, during evening time. It always changes. Sometimes it's happened, especially in the winter season. Suddenly the cold breeze, the cold wind starts blowing. It is happening, especially in the winter season. And sometimes we all are feeling very cold actually. Why? Because cold breeze are blowing, and sometimes it is happening that we all are not feeling cold, we all are feeling hot. So because of air only, this is happening because of air only. जब भी कभी पहाड़ों पर बर्फ गिरती है, when the snowfall is there on hilly areas, on mountain areas, so it is happening that the cold breeze starts blowing very cool. और जो पहाड़ों की जो बर्फ होती है, वहाँ से जो ठंडी हवाएं चलती हैं, वो ठंडी हवाएं जब मैदानी इलाकों में आती हैं, जहाँ पर हम जैसे लोग रहते हैं, वहाँ पर हमें ठंडी हवाओं के रूप में लगती हैं. Right? So, this is about the weather. This is about the weather. Now, अब this question starts coming is in your mind, it is clicking is in your mind, it is hammering is in your mind, then weather to keeps on changing. Then what about season? There are 4 seasons in India: summer season, monsoon season, winter season and spring season. Then weather अगर रोज चेंज हो रहा है, but मौसम तो सीजन तो रोज चेंज नहीं होता. Then what is the definition of the season? So when the weather is remain same for few days, for few weeks, for few months, we can call it a season. So here I am going to write that डेफिनेशन ऑफ सीजन, सीजन की डेफिनेशन क्या होती है, राइट. सो सीजन, ओके. So when the weather remains same, when the weather means मौसम, the weather remain same for few days, or we can say for few weeks, or few months, or few months. So we can call it season. So we can call it season. What we can call it? We can call it season, right? Suppose I will give you a small example, then you can understand nicely, right? Okay, suppose the clouds cover the sun. The clouds cover the sun, and this weather is remain for few weeks. And during the covering to the sun, sometimes raindrops will also come. Then what we can say? We can say yes, now rainy season is going to start, right? And sometimes it is happening especially in the when winter season is going to start, it is happening in the weather, especially in the morning time and in the evening time, है ना. जब ठंड के मौसम की शुरुआत होती है ना बेटा, तो पूरा पूरा दिन ठंड नहीं रहती है ना. क्या होता है, सुबह के टाइम, इन द मॉर्निंग टाइम एंड इन द इवनिंग टाइम, both times we feel little cool, right? And this coolness is remain for a few days, for a few weeks, or 1 or 2 months. Then we can declare, then only we can say yes, now winter season has started. So we all starts wearing the woolen clothes, wearing the sweaters, blazers, scarf, hand gloves, muffler, and then we starts eating so many types of hot soup like tomato soup, Spanish soup, bottle gourd soup, है ना, then carrot soup. These all soups are very delicious in taste and it is very very healthy to us. Dear students, why we all are not having soup in entire year? Have you think ever that कि why we all have the soup in winter season only? हम जो सूप है वो सिर्फ ठंड में ही क्यों पीते हैं, गर्मियों में या बारिश में या ऑटम के सीजन में सूप क्यों नहीं पिया जाता? Have you ever think like that? Okay, I will tell you, no problem. See, during winter season, the weather is cool. Are you agree with me? That time weather is always cool. We all are using the woolen clothes to keep our body warm. To keep our body warm. Why we want to keep our body warm? Because the weather of outside is very very cool. Because the weather of outside is very very cool, that's why we all like to wear the woolen clothes. Then only we can keep our body warm. Right? And during winter season, actually because of weather, we all are not feeling thirsty. है ना? Because of winter season, because of cold breeze, we all are not feeling thirsty. Actually, हमें प्यास ठंड में ज़्यादा नहीं लगती है ना? Sometimes so it is happening in our day-to-day life that during winter season actually we are not drinking the plenty of water. That's why during the winter season lots of children are complaining that ma'am, my stomach is aching, my stomach is paining. Why is it happening? Because during winter season we all are not feeling very thirsty, so we are not drinking plenty of water in our day-to-day life. That's why the reason is a stomach ache, the reason is a stomach pain. That's why, that is the reason during winter season we all have different kinds of soups. जो सूप होते हैं वो विंटर सीजन में इसलिए पिए जाते हैं क्योंकि विंटर सीजन में हमें प्यास नहीं लगती है, और अगर हमें प्यास नहीं लगती है तो हम पानी कम पीते हैं, हमारी बॉडी में पानी की कमी होती है, और इसी पानी की कमी को पूरा करने के लिए विंटर सीजन में सूप पिए जाते हैं। और वो गर्मा गर्म हॉट सूप वी ऑल आर लाइक टू हैव, right? So understand? Okay, so now move on and we will discuss about the season. So here I wrote the definition of season: when the weather remains same for few days or for few weeks, or for few months, so we can declare yes, this season is started. And I gave you 2 examples. Now one more example I will give you. Suppose the rays of sun starts coming straight to the earth. The sun rays, they will come directly to the earth. It means what? It means the temperature of that place is very, very high. If the sun rays will come straight to the earth. It means what? It means the temperature of that place is very, very, very high. If the temperature is very high, it means what? It means the days are very hot, the nights are very hot. So it means what? And this situation is remain for same days, for few days, for few weeks. So we can declare yes, now summer season is started. Because during summer season the rays of sun will come straight to the earth. Straight. सूरज की किरणें जो हैं वो सीधी धरती पर पड़ती हैं. That's why the days are very hot, the night also is very hot, and we can declare yes, now summer season is started. And during summer season cold breeze will not blow. During summer season the wind that blow is very dry, and dry and hot also. During summer season the wind, the breeze is not cool, it is very dry and hot also. Then we can call it loo. और हम उसको क्या कहते हैं? गर्मियों में चलने वाली हवा को we are not telling cold breeze. Then what we are telling that? What we are calling it? We are calling it loo. L-O-O, loo. Yes, so here the concept of season is clear. What is the difference between the weather and the season? What is the difference between weather and the season? The difference between weather and the season is that weather is always keeps changing. Weather is always keeps changing. And the season, when the same weather is remain for few days, for few weeks, then we can declare, we can call it, yes, now this season is started. So understand, both the things is very clear to you. समझ में आ गया दोनों चीजों में क्या डिफरेंस है? Okay, now I am going to turn the page and I will take out the page number 88, and before taking out the page number 88, I will announce that in India there are main 4 seasons. Because you all are in class 2, that's why you will read about only the 4 seasons. But autumn also is included in the season also. So, but you are in class 2, so whatever is given in the book, we will discuss that much only. So, in India, when we will discuss about Indian weather, Indian season. So, here I will write about Indian season. Indian season means Hindustan के मौसम. So basically there are 4 seasons in India. There are 4 seasons in India. Number 1, summer season. Number 1, summer season. Number 2, monsoon. Number 2, monsoon season. Number 3, winter season. Number 3, winter season. And number 4, spring season. Number 4, spring season. So these are main 4 seasons which we have in our country. These are the 4 main seasons which we have in our country. The names of are summer season, monsoon means rainy season, winter season and spring season. Basically in India we have all the seasons. We all are very lucky, actually we can say, yes, we all are very lucky because we have all types of seasons in India. है ना? Sometimes it is happening in the foreign countries that they have the same weather, they have the same season entire year. I will give you a small example. You all have heard the name of Dubai, Abu Dhabi. Yes, maximum students heard that name. The Dubai is the name of a foreign country, beta, and Dubai has the same kinds of season, same kind of weather all the time. They have only 1 or 2 times rain in their country. In Dubai, there is no rainy season, there is no winter season. All the time they will face only the summer, only the heatness, only the hot weather. So we can say that yes, we Indians are actually very lucky because we have all the seasons. We can enjoy each and every season. And when we will talk about America, we will talk about other foreign countries. So we can say the maximum time of the foreign country will face the winter season, will face the cold season, maximum time. But in India, we all are very lucky because we have all the seasons. We have summer also, we have monsoon also, we have winter also, and we have spring also. Right? So here my time is going to finish and I am going to wind up my lecture. When we will meet in the next lecture, then we will discuss about summer season, about monsoon We will discuss about page number 88. All the seasons are given on page number 88 and we will discuss on all these 4 seasons. Right? So till then, bye bye, have a nice day, and as a class teacher of class 2nd, I am hoping that you all are nice and intelligent students of class 2 and you all are doing studies at your homes. And I am requesting you to please, if you want to make the video of your reading, of your writing, of your learning, you can make and you can send to me. I will share on the WhatsApp group. So keep watching the videos, keep reading from the book and keep completing your notebook, because this year it will go on like that only. I don't according to my opinion, I don't think so you can come to school. So please keep watching the videos on regular basis, keep reading and keep writing. Do not underestimate your studies, because studies is the most precious part of the life. Okay, so till then, bye bye, have a nice day, God bless you, bye.